Hey, welcome, and let's make some coffee today. I'm going to use my French press. This one is made of glass, and it is a best way to make a fresh, delicious cup of coffee. This is a special occasion coffee. It's quick and easy. Let's go. First thing is we're going to warm up the carafe by getting some hot water in there, letting it sit, and then we're going to be ready to put in the beans. So I'm going to dump this out now. It's sat in here for a few minutes. This container is a 32 ounce, and for every 32 ounces of water, I'm putting in 9 tablespoons of medium to coarse ground coffee. I've already ground my beans, so we'll add them into the empty container to start. We do not want to put scalding boiling water in here. Let your boiling water sit for 30 seconds after it's finished boiling, which this just has, and it'll be the perfect temperature. Now I'm just going to pour it in halfway, gently in a circular motion. And now I'm going to give it a gentle stir here, right to the bottom. Make sure that nothing's stuck. Get it a good little mix. It's already smelling so wonderful. And we're going to let that sit. I'm just going to put this on top. I will not press it yet. I'll just put it on top to keep that coffee hot. And here's a time we're going to time 4 minutes. Okay, so 4 minutes later, we do not have to stir the grinds anymore. We will just be pressing this down gently and slowly. And the best coffee, again, is using some filtered water, boiling it and waiting 30 seconds after it's boiled, so to make sure that it doesn't scald the coffee beans. And grind your own coffee beans just before you are ready to make your coffee. And I have a 32 ounce container, and I've put 9 tablespoons of freshly medium to coarse grind coffee. Okay, so I just pressed it down, and that's it. We're ready to pour. It is nice and strong, not bitter, has a really full taste. Cleaning this is really simple as well. We're just gonna take the lid off here, and I'm gonna give this a rinse and show you that this also comes apart. Unscrew the top from the bottom part. There's only 3 pieces on the bottom here. So you have this one piece, and this filter, and then the piece that presses it down. Give that all a good rinse and a nice little scrub so that you can remove the oils from the coffee off of there. This is the way to go. Highly recommend it. Enjoy your morning coffee.